Yeah, it's crazy, man. I mean, have y'all ever seen a real fucking pimp? Like, not, there's certain types of pimps, right? Like, that word gets abused. If something looks good, you say, "Oh man, I like what they did with that car. Oh, that's pimp," or you say, "Man, that guy, he dates a lot of women. That's pimp." But if you ever seen a real pimp, I mean, they are out there and they're serious. I mean, these motherfuckers, they really do sell women. I mean, they sell sexual favors and they keep the money. And they do fucked up shit like go to Waffle House, take a bitch to Waffle House and order a fucking the ribeye and scrambled eggs and make the bitch drink water. I mean, shit like that. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's rough. And I'm reading all these internet blogs, and Jerry Jeter came out and said, or some chick said that he sends a basket of memorabilia to one night stands and shit with autographs on it. I'm thinking, man, that's not a pimp. You know, that's putting money in that hoe's pocket. You know what I'm saying? She's going straight to eBay with that shit. A real pimp. You know what I'm saying? If he was a real pimp, he would quit playing the baseball game, finish up the baseball, and take a shower, you know what I'm saying? Drop off the Lamborghini or the Maserati, and jump into a fucking Buick Regal. You know what I'm saying? Fucking Buick Regal with all fucking limo tents on that shit. And drive over to a fucking Harlem or some shit and put some hoes on the fucking stroll. You know what I'm saying? And buy a fucking fake mustache and a fake fucking wig and make some hoes make some money. That's pimping. You know what I'm saying? Not to say that all athletes don't keep it real, because some of them do. I mean, damn. Fucking, what's in the news yesterday? Sam Hurd. Damn. That motherfucker was keeping it thorough. This motherfucker was playing in the NFL for 7 years. 7 years. 7 years and moving work the whole fucking time. I'm not talking about ounces. I'm talking about keys. Keys of the Tony Montana. I mean, this boy was moving more work than UPS the week before Christmas. This boy was moving more work than Herman Cain was molesting staffers. I mean, damn. Now he was moving keys. How do you do that? He was so real, man. I read the affidavit, man. It's like he told the undercover, like, yeah, I play for the Bears. I get off. We got to practice at 5:30. I'm going to shower up and meet you at the spot. Like, damn. You ain't supposed to tell him that you play for the Bears and shit. Damn. This cat was moving work. And you talk about, who I fucking blame? Roger Goodell. Roger Goodell, you're to blame for this shit. The NFL lockout. You don't want to pay people their money. Now you make people move work. Keys. Because of Roger Goodell not paying people. Because of the owners. The CBA. I blame you. I blame ESPN. He was moving keys. I'm talking Alicia Keys. I mean, damn. That boy was moving truckloads. Damn. I blame the NFL, the owners. You make your players move work. What's gonna happen next? Referees gonna start moving work. Damn. Like, yo, holding number 23. And by the way, I got that package. See me after the game. Oh shit. Damn, the mic's still on. Oh man, y'all are crazy.